Welcome back, GS owners. Today we will talk about noises, but not about the noises which some people might hear in their head. We will talk about the noises which we hear from time to time close to the engine at the gearbox. Yes, it's about the rattling noise. Let's find out from where the rattling noise is coming and which is the cause. So let's find out why. We take out the clutch cylinder and we find the rod which is actuating the pressure plate. Okay, and let's imitate a little bit the vibration from the engine. And we find the same noise, the rattling noise, when the clutch is not actuated. So basically, to make that noise a little bit lower, we find out there is a little bit of a textile material over here on the rod. If we take this apart, we see that the noise is a little bit higher and is present. So in time, after many miles, this piece of material, okay, it's not doing the purpose which it was fitted over there. So basically, it has to be replaced. It's not very hard to replace this piece of materials if you don't like the rattling noise. Unfortunately, that textile material is not the only one to blame it for the noise which we have it at the gearbox. We might have a used clutch rod, we might have a used clutch plate or pressure plate. Both of them, it might be a cause for a noise which we have it when we press and we release the clutch. But the textile material can be changed easily if we remove the clutch cylinder, and the clutch rod as well if we remove the shock absorber. And those two are the things which we can change it without dismantle it everything, without dismantle the motorcycle in two parts. That's one reason why we have the noise. The second reason is this rod, it might become worn, and I show it to you where. Here, in this section. Okay, and because of this, when the rod is going in the pressure plate and we have a worn here, okay, is giving again the same noise. So if you want to fix the noise at this model between 2005, I think, is going up to 2013, you have to buy a new clutch rod and a textile material, and you don't have to dismantle all the gearbox and to take out the clutch and pressure plate out. So you can do that. If it's dangerous to ride your motorbike when you hear that noise when you press and release the clutch, not at all. You can ride your motorbike without any problem for many miles, 10,000 miles, 15, 20,000 miles, without any problem. But at some stage, you have to change the clutch plate, the pressure plate, the clutch rod, and that textile material. Once you dismantle all the motorbike, it's good to change everything. If you can do it yourself, this operation, I would say yes. It's not so complicated. It's important to have a manual where you can follow the step-by-step operation and the proper tools. And then you can change the clutch by yourself. You can do this in your garage or with the help of a friend of yours. Thank you very much for watching. And if you got the information you need, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, safe ride.